Hey everybody, Quarantine Cooker's back again. Tonight we're going to be making one of our favorite dishes here at my house, and it's like dead simple. It's one of the easiest things that we cook. You know, that don't just come out of one box. But, we're going to be doing taco soup. You might hear old Matthew call it redneck chili. Taco soup is really good, and it's just got very few ingredients. I mean, you're basically just opening cans. It's not a lot of different ingredients. So I'm browning my hamburger meat here. 2 pounds of burger meat. That's the ingredient number 1. 1 can of kidney beans, and I got light red. What I got. Toss those in the pot here. 1 can of black beans. Two cans down. 1 can of pinto beans. I have seen people use northern beans instead of pintos, but we like pintos. So we got our 3 beans in there, pintos, kidneys, and black. And now we've got our white shoe peg corn that we're gonna put in there. You can use any corn pretty much, any can of corn. Wouldn't recommend cream corn. Toss that in there. Then we have our diced tomatoes and green chilies. Small can. So that's all those ingredients there. And I'm gonna cover it with water. Okay. And while I'm browning my burger meat, I'm gonna go ahead and be letting this get hot. And I've got it on a medium heat. Mine goes from 1 to 9, and I've got it on about a 6. So while this is getting hot and I'm browning my beef, we're gonna do some TV magic and make this go a lot faster for y'all. And we're back. I'm gonna trip if I'm not careful. I have our 2 tablespoons each ranch seasoning and taco seasoning ready to go. I've got my meat drained, so I'm gonna shake that around in there, and then I'm gonna stir it. But to get this all to combine a little bit better, I'm going to add a little water, just like you were making tacos. So get a little water in there. Get this stirred up well. And now we just take our meat here and add it to our beans and vegetables. Carefully. I'm gonna go ahead and give those veggies a stir right quick. And then add my meat. And then stir again. During that time, this has not quite come to a boil. So what I'm gonna do is roll all this over, get the meat stirred in. And then I'm going to bring this to a boil. And once it boils, I'll back it back down to a simmer for 10, 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna turn the heat off and let it cool down. And once it does that, it's ready to eat. Now, when you're ready to eat, I personally like using these ranch tortilla chips, but my wife likes to use these corn chips, and these are in scoopable form. So it's all just whatever you like.